Good evening now. I, Dr. Sanita Verma, District Chair from Rotary District 3030, standing in front of you all, second time, as a District Chair for Cervical Cancer Vaccination, Awareness and Elimination Program. There are so many confusion regarding the doses and all these things. I am having few data from WHO that I will share with you. The reason behind this is actually the studies are showing that even single dose of HPV vaccine gives you 84.4% coverage, and on top of that, with the second dose, that reaches to 90%. Means with a single dose, at least we give immunity up to 84.4%, and by giving second dose, that goes to 90%. Means there is a difference of 5.6% only. And we are targeting underprivileged girls who are not able to take this vaccine. Another one thing, there is no concept of herd immunity. If we are giving mass vaccination, individual vaccination definitely 9 to 14 2 doses, above 14 up to the age of 26 3 doses, and after that at the age of 35 and at the age of 45 regular screening with a practitioner or another one very important test to just see whether the patient is having infection or not. So this is the protocol. But by giving even single dose for the mass vaccination is, if suppose they are going to cover the maximum population between the age of 9 to 29 to 18, we are targeting 1,000-1,500 that will give somewhere herd immunity. It means the another girls who are living in that community will get indirect immunity for HPV viruses in them. So this is the reason behind this. And the pediatricians who are working for vaccination program of India, Dr. Anurag Agrawal is a very good friend of mine, and I was just discussing with him. He was appreciating at least the work which right now nobody is doing. You are giving single dose at least. You are reaching to the population by giving single dose, and the time will come when even others will also agree. At least you will do single dose. So who are having 0% immunity for HPV infection will get at least 84.4%. That is the main reason behind this. Because this is the only cancer which can be prevented by vaccine. That is very important, because amongst all the cancers, this is the only cancer. Cervical cancer is the only cancer can be prevented by vaccine. That to 100% cure. So that is the beauty of this vaccine. Secondly, the single vaccine gives protection for 6 diseases, for 6 cancers: cervical cancer, vaginal cancer, vulvar cancer, penile cancer, oropharyngeal cancer, and another genital ward. And this is the only vaccine which has to be given. This is called as unisex vaccine. In India, we are not providing right now for the boys, but the studies are going on that we have, study has already done that boys require also the same vaccine, but we have not started in India. So I think we should go to the norm. I am having all the authentic data. I will share in the group now. Okay, because there is tug of war, lots of tug of war is going on, and being pediatrician myself, I have to answer all these questions. But I am satisfied when I got through all this study, and I am from the same second Kumunagari, Nasik, and a senior pediatrician, and has presented so many papers and deliberation in many conferences for HPV vaccines. Even after 2 days, going to do a panel discussion on the same single dose versus double dose of HPV vaccine with a panel at medical college. So the things will go on, and the time will come that we will be agreed with a single dose, and the myths will get clear कि वो प्रेगनेंसी के लिए बच्चे को इन्फर्टिलिटी तो नहीं आ जाएगी, और इतनी जल्दी भी देना है, 9 साल में क्यों दे देना है वैक्सीन? अभी तो शादी तो 18 साल में होती है. But early vaccination is the best thing, because now WHO is just targeting on 90-70-90 rule. Means 90% of the population get vaccinated. Second, 70 means 70% population get screened, and then again 90% population of the patient who are having cervical cancer will be taken care of very nicely with the chemotherapy, radiotherapy, whatever required to do. In this way, 90-70-90 rule, hope so we can just prevent cervical cancer, HPV infection rather, from India. Within 6 minutes, I am talking to you, somewhere in India 200 ladies has died of this cancer. So just think, that the vaccine can prevent cancer 100%, and who is taking life of 200 in 24 hours or 200 ladies in 7 minutes.